Welcome to the Weather Centre on the first day of a new month. We're expecting some light morning rainfall along parts of the Eastern Cape coastline, with a sizzling hot end to the work week for KwaZulu-Natal, with maximum temperatures peaking in the middle and upper 30s. It'll be a mostly sunny and warm to hot day in the northeast, with a few isolated thundershowers expected over the central and southeastern interior in the afternoon. Cooler weather is forecast in the west, with a cold front bringing in the possibility of rainfall over the southwestern part of South Africa in the second part of the day. We're also expecting windy conditions over the southern part of South Africa. There's a high fire danger warning on Friday, and that extends over parts of the Free State, the northwest and the Eastern Cape. You'll see a 40% chance of light morning rainfall in the vicinity of Port Elizabeth, with isolated thundershowers expected over parts of the Free State and the Eastern Cape, and you'll see that cold front bringing in a 40% chance of rainfall over the southwestern part of South Africa. Temperatures remain hot in the northeast, 37 degrees for Phalaborwa, 10 degrees below that for Ermelo, with a warm Friday afternoon at 27 degrees, 31 for Johannesburg, and Vryburg, Pretoria and Bombela all expecting a maximum of 33 degrees. You'll see a high of around 30 for the Free State as well as Queenstown, with a sizzling hot day for KwaZulu-Natal, where maximum temperatures will peak in the middle and upper 30s. You'll see maximums in the middle and upper 20s as we head towards the Eastern Cape coastline, with a moderate to fresh west-southwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth and East London. Southwesterly winds reach Durban in the afternoon, but in the morning we're expecting a light northerly wind, and along the east coast we're expecting a 1.5 metre south-southwesterly swell. You'll see highs in the upper 20s for Kraaifontein and Somerset East, with quite a mild day for the Western Cape, with most highs in the low 20s. A fresh to strong northwesterly wind is forecast for False Bay and Hermanus, with a 55 km/h west-northwesterly wind for Cape Agulhas, and you'll see a moderate to fresh west-southwesterly wind along the coast between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, and we're expecting a 3.5 metre south-southwesterly swell along the south coast. It'll be a cold Friday in Sutherland at 17 degrees, 19 for Calvinia and Springbok, 28 as we head towards Uppington and Prieska. Along the west coast you'll see a northwesterly wind from Lambert's Bay through to Cape Town, with Table Bay expecting fresh winds in the afternoon, and you'll see more of a south-southwesterly wind for Alexander Bay at 23 degrees, with a 2.5 metre south-southwesterly swell along the west coast. On Saturday we're forecasting partly cloudy and mild weather over the southern part of South Africa. Things remain dry over much of the interior, with a mostly sunny and hot day for Gauteng, and we're expecting cooler weather for KwaZulu-Natal, with the possibility of rainfall, and that could extend all the way through to Bombela at 31 degrees. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Friday.